Let's understand how to multiply these two expressions. So this will be the first step. 4x square yz multiplied by minus 3 by 2 x square yz square. Now multiplication can be performed even with unlike terms. Addition and subtraction can be performed only with like terms, while multiplication can be performed even with unlike terms. So you see here, these two terms have to be multiplied, but they are clearly unlike terms. See this here, x square yz. This is x square yz square. So we understand that these two terms to be multiplied are unlike terms. That's fine. We can multiply unlike terms. Now how do we do that? Multiply the numbers. See, how do we read this? This is 4 into x square into y into z. That's what it means when we write 4x square yz. 4 into x square into y into z into minus 3 by 2 into x square into y into z square. We don't see the multiplication sign here between the terms, but that's what it means. When we write minus 3 by 2 x square, it means it is minus 3 by 2 into x square into y into z square. So which means it's a product throughout. It's multiplication everywhere. So how do we multiply? Multiply the numbers. 4 into minus 3 by 2. See that here? 4 into minus 3 by 2. Then how do you multiply x square and x square? Recall from exponents. When bases are same and its multiplication, we add the powers. Correct? So see here, first 4 into minus 3 by 2. That's what you see here. Into x square into x square. So write the base x and add the powers 2 plus 2. Next, you don't see any sign between x and y. That means it's multiplication. You could also show the multiplication symbol. You don't see it here, but you can also write it. Next, let's multiply y and y. So y into y meaning y to the power 1 into y to the power 1. So again, when bases are same and its multiplication, we add the powers. So write the base y and add the powers 1 and 1, 1 plus 1. Now let's multiply z and z square. See, we will have to multiply z and z square, which means z into z square. So again, bases are same. It's multiplication. So we need to add the powers. So z, the base is z. Z here means z to the power 1. So 1 plus 2. So we have now multiplied. Let's simplify this. 2 ones are 2 twos are. And 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. And this gives us x to the power 4, y to the power 2, z cubed. So the product of these two expressions is minus 6 x to the power 4 y square z cubed.